Hey everyone, this is Chirag from dconcloud.com. In this quick video, we are going to purchase a domain. I always recommend to have your own domain, and I am like buying a domain since 2012, and I have couple of domains with me. But today I'm going to show like how you can buy a domain name. It's not expensive thing, but it's a very useful thing. I shared my story about that, how my interview gone around the domain name, because I have my domain name like my first name, my email id is like my first name at the rate my first name last name.com, and the technical round went around that, and really I got a lot of value to owning all these things, because this gives next level to learn, because DNS is a very important, and I believe like most of you people ignored it in a big way. So having a domain name will give you a lot of value. In the next video I will show even how you can create your custom email ID free of cost, because Zoho Mail is providing for the personal usage free of cost account. I am using it, and I will show you step by step process. But before that, let's buy a domain. So you can buy from any of your favorite domain registrar. I have tried many one like BigRock, GoDaddy, Namecheap, Bluehost, One and One. So today I'm going to go with the GoDaddy one. So I already logged into my account, and I'm going to search for a domain. These days I am running a one hashtag, so I'm looking for that domain name, and I actually search it, and it was available, and it is available. So I'm just going to add that learn cloud with .me rather than .com. So obviously with this extension pricing may vary, so please try to figure it out from your side, whether you want .com, .io, or whatever like you feel comfortable and easy to remember. So I'm going to purchase this learn cloud with .me, and it is costing, because I right now I'm in Singapore, so it is costing me around $5, and maybe few texts will be added. But you can see GoDaddy is providing other suggestions also, like if I want I checked that .com was not available, like learn cloud with me.com, it was not available, it is already sold. But you can see few of the suggestions are there, according to that the relevant prices are here, but I am good to go with that. You can even try putting different keywords, so you can purchase according to that. And this is the domain which we'll use to create maybe near future tutorials also. Even I started one AWS series in which I already added the 2 videos, creation of account and securing the account, and I am going to use the DNS services from different clouds. So this will be, you can say, my experiment and tutorial, the domain. So I already added into the my cart, and I am going to continue, as I already log into my account. So it is not asking me to sign in again and filling all those information. You need to put all those your mobile information and all these things. I don't want some free trials and all these. It is asking that if I want to register it for 2 years, so for the second year this will be charged, but right now I'm going to go with the 1 year plan, and it reduced, and it will show all this information. You can see I need to buy pay now this much amount. So meanwhile, let me fill all the payment information, and I will complete the purchasing process, and I will show you what next. So here you can see I have purchased, and I got that information. I added my payment information, and they deducted this much amount, and this domain is purchased. I don't want to give right now any feedback, so let's go to manage my domains, and let's see. Another thing is, yes, you can buy it from the cloud provider, like AWS is providing. Even there is a Google domain service, I believe you can purchase, but I found like it's bit expensive, and using these all the registered provider, you will get more discount. So I believe it will be a good start. Again, it's your wish. If you want to buy directly from AWS or some other cloud provider, it's no concerns on that, but I suggest to be here. And right now even I don't have any affiliate coupon with me. Otherwise surely I will share. If in near future I will get any affiliate code, I will put in the description. So this is one video. I will show how to create your the custom email ID. Like let's say I want to set up chirag@learncloudwith.me or something like that. That how we can do. I will show that step by step, which will be free of cost. So stay tuned, subscribe to my channel and press the notification bell, so that whenever I upload new tutorial, you will get notified. My core area is on the cloud infrastructure and security part, and looking forward for more and more content I will share with